What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. So you guys may or may not have seen my 5th gen AJT Designs key fob upgrade, but we're actually going to do the same on the 3rd gen. So the 3rd gen's key is a little bit different in a sense that it has an independent controller and then an independent key. So really all that we're upgrading today is going to be the key fob, so this area here with the buttons, and we're going to go ahead and get started on that now. So this AJT Designs one is super neat. It comes with 4 screws, the Allen key that you need, and you don't really need instructions because I'm going to teach you. So first thing is to take off any rings that you have attached to the controller here. It's worth noting that there is a little opening here that you just insert a screwdriver or a coin or whatever you have and twist to the right. And we're gonna go ahead and open up the AJT Designs key so I can show you guys more of what's involved here. Really, it's as simple as the screws and the Allen key. You definitely don't want to over torque this, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. So inside of the key, we have the battery and pretty much the key packing here. So we're gonna push on this button to kind of release it from the bottom. Now this is like a 20-year-old key that's never been messed with, maybe a battery change or two. So we're literally going to take this same piece and line it up on the lip that's provided on the bottom of the AJT new design. And we are going to carefully take the top and match it up with the buttons. There we go, just going to make a little adjustment. We're in good shape. All right, so next we've got our 4 screws, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay them in individually in all 4 corners just to keep everything in line. I like to think that the screw thread being down in there helps to keep it. So when we're tightening this down, we only want to get it thumb tight. So just twist, done. This is not going to back out. It's not like it's going to be unscrewing in your pocket. So just be sure not to over torque it. I think Adam over at AJT Design said that he had 1 or 2 people over the past few years say that they had stripped out a bolt or the screw. So just don't make that be you. All right. So this was way easier than the 5th gen, guys. The 5th gen, you had to get the transponder out and all that. But this is pretty straightforward. It's a little thicker here where the key ring goes, and I don't want to scratch it, but boom. We are back in action, and I think that this looks so much better than that ugly stock key. Hope you guys agree compared to that. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe for more. Appreciate you guys.